All right, it's gonna be a quick video on our 2019 Honda Pilot on how to replace the battery. It's 2023 now, our battery finally died, so here's how you do it. First, you gotta take off this front plastic piece, and it just pops out by hand. Just grab it and kind of pull up on it. It should go around. Just kind of be gentle with it, and it will pop out. Okay, take that off, put that to the side. The next thing you want to do is get a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew these two screws so you can pop out these little body mounts. So just unscrew those a little, like that, so they pop up. Once they're unscrewed, you should be able to pop them out. Just grab them by hand. They don't come out easily, just unscrew them more, but it should come out pretty easy like that. And then you should be able to pull this whole air box out. Just kind of slips out of this coupling here, just like that. All right, now that will give you access to the battery. So next we'll have to basically unscrew this post here and this one here. Let's go find out what size that is. All right, so with the 10mm socket, you can then go ahead and unscrew these two battery posts, like that. Really just have to loosen them up a little bit. Same thing from the negative. Okay, once those are loose, you should be able to easily remove these terminals. Probably easier with two hands, but as you can see, there's one, two. Got a little bit of battery corrosion going on there. And then next, you're gonna have to remove these two sockets here. I'm gonna need a deep socket to get to this one, but I also think it's 10mm. So you can access this one, but to access this one, I found out you can just kind of use your screwdriver, get underneath it, and just kind of pry up on it. That'll help you, ow, get that off there. Squish my pinky, but just kind of pry up on that, and that'll get that off. That'll give you access to these other two nuts here, your 10mm. Just unscrew those to get the battery mount off. And so these, you just have to loosen them enough to where you can unhook these little hooks down at the bottom. That goes in there. But you loosen it some, and then you can kind of jiggle it, and this will come off. Take that off, put it to the side. And I think there's a cover on the battery. Yeah, this thing just kind of pops right off. Just pull up on it. Get it easier with two hands. Now you have access to your battery. I think it should just, oh yeah. There we go. All right, there it is. That's how you pull the battery on a 2019 Honda Pilot. And installation will just be the opposite of that. So let's see, this is a group size 48. This is an OEM battery that came with the car. So, you know, there's the stats in case you're looking to replace it without digging into it first. So thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.